Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can convert .avi file to mp4 format. Here you can go and type avi to mp4 converter online free, and here you will get couple of websites where you can go and convert your files for free. So now you need to select your file. You can add your file by URL, as well as you can add the file from Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, as well as from your computer. So let me go here and select one of the file that is in AVI format, this one. And after that, now I need to select the format that I want to convert, this one. Then click here convert button, and here you can see file is processing. So now file is converted in mp4 format. If you want to download it, just you can go here and click on download button, and now you can see file is downloading. In this way you can easily convert your files between different formats for